Accelerated computing can turn mountains into molehills. It's the force that powers the future, transforming colossal data sets into actionable insights and unimaginable possibilities. Today, we're going to crack open the lid on this powerhouse, diving into an intriguing session on TensorFlow GPU training. Our first step is to make sure that TensorFlow is using the GPU. We do this by checking the device name. Should the GPU device not be found, the system will raise an error. Once the GPU is located, we can proceed. In this next segment, I'll be showing you how to load and prepare the NIST dataset, a vast database filled with handwritten digits. This dataset is used for training various image processing systems. To ensure optimal performance, we'll be dividing this data into training and testing sets, as well as normalizing it. Here is the extended TensorFlow GPU training code. Python import TensorFlow as TF from TensorFlow. Keras.layers import dense, flatten, dropout from TensorFlow.keras. Datasets import MNIST hash check for GPU availability device. Underscore name =sign tf.test GPU device name if device underscore name. =sign device GPU 0. Raise system error GPU device not found. Print found GPU at format device name. Hash load and preprocess the MNIST dataset. X_train Y_train. X_test Y_test. =sign MNIST load data. X_train X_test =sign X_train 255.0 X_test 255.0 hash. Define the model architecture model =sign tf.keras.models. Sequential, flatten, input, shape 2828, dense 512, activation relu, dropout 0.5, dense 10, activation softmax. Hash compile the model with loss and optimizer model. Compile optimizer atom. Loss =sign sparse _categorical cross entropy metrics accuracy. Hash train the model using the GPU with TF device GPU 0 model fit x_train Y_train epochs =sign 10 validation _split =0 2 hash evaluate the model's performance loss accuracy =sign model evaluate x_test Y_test print of test accuracy 0.2f. To enhance the learning experience, why not try some AI-generated background music? Platforms like AIVA or Amper Music allow you to create custom tracks. Make sure the music volume does not interfere with the technical content. And there you have it, a comprehensive TensorFlow GPU training session. I hope this extended guide helps you understand the nitty-gritty of neural network training. Remember, the world of AI is all about continuous learning and exploration. Thank you for joining me on AI Guruji. If you found this session helpful and want to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until our next session, keep coding, keep learning, and stay curious. This is Ram Naresh Jha, wishing you all a happy journey in learning. Optimizing your TensorFlow model for better performance is a multifaceted process. Some strategies you can use are Profiler. Use the TensorFlow Profiler to understand your model's performance on CPU and GPU. It helps identify bottlenecks and optimize resource consumption. Input pipeline. Make sure your input pipeline isn't slowing things down. Use the tf.data API to build efficient data pipelines. Mixed precision training. Apply mixed precision training using float 16 and float 32 data types to speed up training and reduce memory usage without compromising model accuracy. XLA compilation. Enable XLA, accelerated linear algebra. Compilation to optimize TensorFlow graphs. Model pruning. Reduce your model parameters with pruning techniques to make it more lightweight. Quantization. Apply quantization to lower the precision of the numbers used in the model, which can result in performance gains and reduced model size. Efficient model architecture. Consider using more efficient model architectures like MobileNet or EfficientNet. Batch size. Experiment with different batch sizes. A larger batch size can utilize the GPU more effectively, but it also requires more memory. Hardware utilization. Make sure your GPU is being utilized effectively. Avoid unnecessary data transfers between the CPU and GPU. Parallelism. Use parallelism to distribute your workload across multiple GPUs if available. Remember, optimization is an iterative process. What works best can depend on your model and training data's specific characteristics. It's crucial to profile and test different strategies to find the most effective approach for your situation. Once our data is ready, we move on to building the TensorFlow model. This is a sequence of layers that the data will pass through. Our model is simple. It includes a layer to flatten the input, a dense layer with 128 nodes, a dropout layer to prevent overfitting, and a final dense layer with 10 nodes. After the model is built, we compile it. This step involves defining the optimizer, loss function, and metrics that will be used during training. We use the ATOM optimizer, sparse categorical cross-entropy, as the loss function, and accuracy as the metric. With our model compiled, it's time to train it on the GPU. We specify the device to use for training, in this case the GPU, and set the model to train for 5 epochs or iterations over the entire dataset. Finally, we evaluate our model, comparing its performance on the testing data to the training data. This gives us a sense of how well our model has learned and if it can generalize to new data. And there we have it, folks! We began by confirming the application of TensorFlow on GPU, then moved on to ready our dataset, construct and set up our model, and train it using the GPU, followed by assessing its performance. These are the critical steps in a TensorFlow GPU training session. This is the beauty of speedy computing. It's a magical journey from unprocessed data to profound insights, all driven by the GPU. This power is shaping our future and expanding the realm of possibilities. And with that note, we wrap up our detailed session on TensorFlow GPU training. Remember, the strength of AI lies in continuous learning and research. So keep pushing the limits, and continue to learn and explore. This is your AI guru, Ram Naresh Jha, wishing you all happy learning. While listening, let's enjoy some calming, subtle AI-generated music to complement details. Such music can be found on platforms like AIVA or Amper Music, where you can design your own tracks. Just make sure that the music is not overpowering the voiceover by maintaining a proper balance. Extended TensorFlow GPU training code, import TensorFlow as TF from TensorFlow. Keras, layers, import dense, flatten, dropout from TensorFlow. Keras, datasets, import NIST hash, verify the GPU device, underscore name =TF.test GPU device name, if device underscore name, =device GPU 0, raise system error, GPU device not found, print located GPU at bot format device name, hash load and preprocess the NIST dataset y_train, x_test y_test, =NIST load data, x_train x_test x_train, 255.0, x_test, 255.0 hash. Define the model structure model, =TF.keras.models, sequential, flatten input shape, 28, dense, 512, activation Niralu, dropout, 0.5, dense, 10, activation softmax. Hash compile the model with the loss and optimizer model. Compile optimizer at atom, loss sparse categorical cross entropy, metrics and accuracy. Hash train the model using the GPU with model, fit xtrain, epochs =10, validation split =0. 2. Hash evaluate the model's efficiency loss, accuracy model. Evaluate x_test y_test, print of test accuracy 2f. And there we have it, folks. We've successfully completed a more in-depth TensorFlow GPU training session. I hope this extended walkthrough helps you grasp the nuances of neural network training. Remember, the journey of AI is filled with continuous learning and exploration. Thank Jay. If you enjoyed this session and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and stay curious. This is Ram Naresh Jha, wishing you all happy. In the background, as the AI-generated music continues to play, the screen transitions to showcase the like, share, subscribe, and bell icons. If you found today's session on AI Guru helpful and informative, we'd appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that button if you enjoyed the video. It with your friends and colleagues who might also find this information useful. To our channel to stay updated with more insightful content. And don't forget to click on the 4 notifications on our latest uploads. If you're on social media, do give us a to join our growing community of AI enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring valuable content to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next session. As the narrative script ends, the screen transitions to the end sting.